Hi, my name is Kirk, Catt, and I'm with Coldwell banker Tomlinson here in the Tri-Cities. I want to wish everyone a happy new year and hope that 2019 is a daily reminder for how much we have to be thankful for. With that in mind, we want to invite you to join us at one of our many open houses this weekend. Keep watching this video to find out where they're located. Want to wish everyone a happy new year and hope that 2019 is a 2019. Anytime is kind of a thing. All right. Yeah, we're done. Don't use that. Want to wish everyone a happy new year and see, I went off script.